In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Metatrader 5 chart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to customize your chart so it's easier to read, faster to analyze, and ready to reuse across different symbols. Start by opening Metatrader 5 and bringing up the chart you want to modify. The quickest way into the full chart settings is to right-click anywhere on the chart and choose Properties. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press F8. This panel is your control center for the chart's look and behavior, so it's worth getting familiar with. Next, choose the chart type that fits your analysis. Inside Properties, or directly from the top toolbar, you can switch between candlesticks, bars, and a simple line chart. Most traders rely on candlesticks because they show open, high, low, and close in a visual way that makes patterns and momentum easier to spot. Bars offer similar information in a different style, while a line chart gives a cleaner, simplified view based on closing prices. Now let's make the chart comfortable to read by adjusting colors. In Properties, open the Colors or Scheme section. You can set a dark or light background, pick a clear green for buy candles, a distinct red for sell candles, and choose how prominent you want grid lines to be. Small tweaks here can dramatically reduce eye strain and help key information stand out, especially during long sessions. Time frame is critical. Use the toolbar to switch how much price action you're viewing. M1 shows 1-minute candles, M5 5-minute, H1 1 hour, H4 4 hour, and D1 daily. Think of this like zooming through time. Lower time frames reveal short-term noise and detail, while higher time frames smooth things out and highlight bigger trends. To adjust the visual zoom of the chart itself, simply scroll your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. You can also press the plus or minus keys or hold Control while scrolling for finer control. A comfortable zoom level ensures you're not missing detail or cramming too much data on the screen. If the chart looks cluttered, tailor what's shown. Right-click, open Properties, and go to the Show tab. Here you can turn the grid on or off, display bid and ask price lines, show or hide volume, and toggle period separators to mark days or sessions. Keep only what you actually use so the price action remains front and center. Finally, lock in your setup so you don't redo it every time. Once everything looks right, right-click the chart, choose Template, and select Save Template. Name it clearly, and you can instantly apply the same look to any other chart in the future. That's it, your MT5 chart, customized and ready for better analysis.